So the door panel is sitting by two screws here. This one, also one on the bottom there. So the trick here is to take him like this. It should come right off. Now get your Phillips head. Move these two screws. So I don't have a pry tool, probably should get myself one, but what I do is I take a big screwdriver, put some electrical tape on it, and they'll help protect my door cover. Let's go around here on the edge and get these popped out. So it took me a little while to figure this one reverse piece out, but on the top here, actually that's it. So you just pop it right out. I don't know how to do this one-handed, but it comes right out like this. Watch this one, so you don't break it. This there is just disconnecting cables. It's gonna be hard to do that one-handed, so I'm gonna set you guys down. So what you need to be aware of here is this one is clipped on, but it just pops right out. Same as this one, it's going to be this one here. Pops right out. This one you squeeze it like this, pop it out. This one is a special one. Never seen anything like this before. But you actually just pop on this one and just yank it right out. It comes out of here. The last one there, the light's gonna have to come out to get it out, but I'm just gonna set it aside here because what I need here